Good day, everyone. My name is Obehi Ben Obidi, and here with me is,
Ekinjame Wadiali.
and this
This
is
is
the
the
YS
YS
News.
News. 13 weeks. This has definitely been a lengthy time for all of us, don't you think?
Well, it wasn't that long, but I guess that's because of the 1001 activities we had this term.
To be honest, we didn't really do that much.
Should I remind you of the New Year 7 students that were officially welcomed this term, or our OIS Goes Traditional, or anything but a backpack day, or even Odd Socks Day, and many more? This all happened this term, and you still think that wasn't much?
Oh yeah, I forgot about all of that. This time was actually really packed now that I think about it. How about we give a rundown of what it was all about?
Okay then, there was the introduction of the new students, the academic activities, the leadership activities, the fun events, sporting activities, global dates, and how can we forget our loving alumni?
Oh yes, the new students. They were welcomed with iPads and the staff had their training, which helped them boost their morale and enhance their professionalism.
And then there were the top 10 awards and merit point awards to acknowledge hardworking students in each set. Those who were appreciated got the chance to attend the head of school's barbecue. A good job to the top 10ers once more.
A thumbs up too to the Year 12 students who wrote their SATs and IGCSEs. Whoa, was that a stressful period? And as one of those students, I can say we really put in the work. Congratulations to all Year 12 as we await the results.
Also, on the 21st of October, the speech and prize giving day commenced, where different students were awarded according to their various performances. They were divided into academic and extracurricular, and I myself happened to have won best in sports that day.
It's really not that deep. A lot of other people also got awards. But wait, wasn't that the same day the alumnus gave a success speech?
Oh, yes, it was. But that wasn't even my favorite part of the weekend. It was the visiting day with parents from different places who came to see and celebrate their children. They lodged in the Royal Park Hotel with their kids for the weekend.
Olasore has always been the school to balance one's academic and social life. Speaking of social, Year 7 and 8 had their guest dinner, where they wore their flashy suits and dresses and picked a date to walk along the aisle with. And I'm sure they had lots of fun taking a break from school activities.
Oh, I remember that too. The girls looked so gorgeous and the boys looked good also. However, Gaudy Day was quite the opposite. They wore really tacky outfits and the two tackiest were crowned Lord and Lady Gaudy.
It's sad we had to miss that. I wonder what you would have worn. Or maybe you could have just gone like this. It wouldn't have really made a difference.
Wow, very funny. But at least we didn't miss one day. That was by far the best social this time in my opinion. There were horses and lots of food. There was also a variety of games. It was just nice to see everyone enjoying themselves.
Speaking of fun, I myself believe Friendship Friday was my favorite. I feel like it was a good day set aside to appreciate and understand the true meaning of friendship, regardless of the certain events that took place.
Oh, like what?
Moving on, Anti-Bullying Week was good too, don't you think? Didn't we celebrate the International Day of the Girl Child?
Oh yeah, we did. It was very uplifting. What a way to celebrate and appreciate us and our value to humankind.
Just like we had Mrs. Fajke and Mrs. Dabri to appreciate all the hardworking teachers of our school on World Teachers' Day with a thank you gift. Our teachers of Olasore are all very crucial in our success, mentally and psychologically. We are truly grateful for all our educators.
I also liked Independence Day because I got to dress up and look like Miss Nigeria. There were also some other very fine young looking ladies. Congratulations to Red and Green House for winning the March Past Parade.
Yeah, congratulations to them indeed. But let's not forget the Year 10 and 11th Duke of Edinburgh and leadership training in Ibadan. It was a weekend filled with teamwork and progress. I'm sure they went on some really fun adventures.
And how could you forget the Eto's orphanage visit? It was extremely touching and an experience I believe everyone should have. What do you think?
I agree. I believe it was very emotive and a moving experience. I'm glad I got the chance to be a part of it.
I'm glad I got to be a part of it too. The same way I got to be a part of the annual PTA swimming gala, where lots of students go to show off their true swimming talents.
Wait, you were? Wow, lucky you. Oh, didn't your team win? Oh no, sorry, I forgot it was mine.
I don't even know why you have to be always so competitive. Speaking of competitions, we had lots of those as well, didn't we? Like the sports fiesta that contained a bunch of sporting events such as table tennis, volleyball, badminton, indoor games, and many more. Oh, and the John Soccer, which was newly launched and is currently taking place all the way in Lagos. We hope the students have a nice time and come back with a win. And not to forget the nine-a-side soccer game that took place in stadium and was won by the team Phoenix, or a medley relay race won by the team Lakers.
Yes, sports fiesta. Although I couldn't help but notice our prefects vanishing into their uniforms periodically.
Oh, that was because they were busy orienting the prospective parents. They were taken around the school by various prefects and had a warm reception in Royal Park Hotel.
Oh yes, our alumni paid us a visit on the 2nd of November. Akinshire, class of 2001, Akintoyosi, class of 2006, Bodunde and Bodunrin, class of 2007, were taken around the school by the head girl and head boy, Oluwatosin Adefurin and Oluwanifemi Alabi. It was nice for them to come visit again.
Well, I guess that's it for our rundown of Term 1, 2023-2024 academic session. We hope to see faces both new and old as we return from the holidays next term.
To learn more about the entrance examination and book your session, please contact the admission office on 0807 450 3992 or send an email to info@olashure.com for more information.
This is a reminder that COVID-19 is still pretty much around us. Protect yourself by keeping your social distance.
Wearing a face mask in public places, washing your hands with soap and water regularly, and practicing good hygiene. Keep exercising daily and eat a well-balanced diet.
Thanks for watching. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.